$1,500, $5,000, $8,700. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposit of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. So for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today is always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. So my friends, now we are ready to start. I'm going to choose several indicators. First of all, let's choose counter channel and set it. Just give me some seconds, please. Now let's proceed to the next one. Let's choose the marker. Just 1 minute. Okay, it's done. Okay, so we have opened the first sell position. As you can see, we have touched a strong level of resistance. Now price will highly likely show us a pullback reaction and the short-term down-going correction. For now, we are going to make the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. If we do this, price will continue dropping significantly and show finally us the down-going correction as we predict. So we have done the bearish consumption. Now price will highly likely continue dropping. Let's check this. And yep, my friends, we have made the new low, the new local low. Price now is touching the middle line of the counter channel. And we got our first money from the first trade. So for now, everything is going quite fine for the start. Now let's concentrate on the next trade that we're going to open, and give me some seconds for analyzing the market. Okay, let's change our investment to $114. We have opened buy position. As you can see, we're now in the beginning of the upgoing trend. We have made the low, touched the support line zone, did not break through it. After this, we started growing, showed small short-term down-going correction, and now prices continue growing once again and is trying to make the new current local high. That's why I have opened buy position expecting this growth, and now price is showing us good reaction. Entry point is not the best one, as you can see, but the sense of this trade is fine, I would say. So anyway, we will be in profit, and we did it. Yes, as you can see, we are in the profit. Not the best rate, honestly, but it's done and we got our profit from it. So everything's fine. Now let's focus on the next one. So here we are in the strong down-going movement. Now we have touched the support line zone. I have opened buy position here. As you can see, price has touched the bottom line of the counter channel. From these points, we will highly likely start growing towards at least the middle line of the counter channel. So now let's focus on this. We are going to receive the pullback reaction from the counter channel bottom line and grow towards at least to the middle line of this channel. Okay, my friends, perfectly done. One more profitable trade. Let's change our investment to $420. And we have open sell position. Everything is very clear. We are now on the strong resistance line zone, which is also the upper edge of the counter channel. From that point, we will highly likely receive the pullback reaction and start of the current drop towards at least, I guess, middle line of the counter channel. One more profitable trade, guys. Everything's fine. Okay, so here I have opened buy position immediately because you can clearly see this big impulse bearish candle. We have touched the bottom line of the counter channel, and at the moment we have even broken through it. However, this was false breakout, I guess, and we will now get back to the channel and show the pullback reaction from that support line zone, which is the bottom line of the counter channel. So that's why we have opened buy position, and as you can see, our entry point for now is quite nice. We have a very good entry point, and price is showing us the start of the pullback reaction. We are trying to consume this bearish candle. At least I guess we will not drop anymore for now, and we are in profits. We got our money from this trade. Everything is very good. Now let's continue to the next one. For now we have around 1,500 bucks in the account. My friends, please, while I'm trading and making money, please don't forget to check description to this video, subscribe to my private TG, because here you will get everything you want to become professional trader just like me. Daily trading signals, daily analytics, daily educational materials, and much more. And if you write me private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to my private daily trading sessions just like this, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day at the scheduled time. So do this right now and pay with me. Link in the description. So while I was talking, I have opened one more trade. This is buy position. As you can see, we have touched the support line zone, received the pullback reaction from it, started growing, showing the short-term upgoing correction. After this, we showed, contrary to the growth, we showed short-term downgoing correction, and now we are ready to grow once again in the continuation of the current short-term upgoing channel. So that's why I have opened buy position in the continuation of this growth. I have invested my money here. As you can see, buyers are going to break through the middle line of the counter channel, and they are doing this. Anyway, we have already received our money from this trade, and that's enough for us. Now let's focus on the next trade and think what we are going to open. So let's change our investment to 3,000 bucks. And I have opened sell position here. As you can see, price has touched the upper edge of the counter channel, and now we will highly likely drop towards at least the middle line of the channel, or even lower towards the bottom line of it. So let's check and see whether we are right. So yep, my friend, just look at this, a very good bearish candle, very strong one. We have broken through the middle line of the counter channel, and we will continue dropping towards the bottom line of the channel, I guess. So anyway, we're absolutely safe, we're in profit. Several seconds left and we will get our cash from the trade, and we did it, my friends. Around 5,000 bucks on the account, a very nice revenue, 5,700. Let's change our investment to $2,000. So here we have opened buy position. Everything is very simple. We are standing on the strong support line zone. Price is showing us a pullback reaction from that zone. Together with this support line zone is combined with bottom line of the counter channel. So now we're highly likely to grow towards the middle line of the counter channel, or even higher towards the upper edge of it. My friends, one more profitable trade. Now we are in the down-going trend. We have touched the counter channel bottom line, and from that point I have opened the buy position, expecting the pullback reaction towards at least the middle line of the channel. We have invested $1,000 here. Perfectly done, guys. We have made around $8,700 just within several minutes. This is fucking crazy. And if you want to have the same fucking results just like me, the same crazy things, you can simply do this. All you need for that purpose is just to open description to this video right now and subscribe to my private TG. And you will get access to the whole information how to become professional trader just like me, like Michael Trader. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me.